How's it going, guys? You have a Ford f250 XLT Super Duty. Did your starter go out? It's actually not that hard. You got 3 bolts. You got that one right there. Then you have one right there. I'm in the process of taking it out. And then you have they're 10 millimeters. And all you need is 2 of these swivel with a short 10. And I use this to get the top one. I'm working on it now. I just loosened it and then I'm just kind of slowly turning it out. Let's see, I'll try to show you guys again. There it is. So I used the 2 swivel sockets because there's this bracket here in the way. I loosened that one, loosened this one, and I got, well, I guess I'm gonna take it out, but then you got 12 millimeter holding your battery cable, and then this one, the new one, you crimp it, and you heat shrink some plastic wrap over it. So we're gonna do that. So they're all loose. I'm about to drop it. You don't have to jack it up, nothing. All right, guys. I'll lay you right here. I'm using a really small impact. You're gonna have to do it with the ratchet, but that's all I have left to do, and it's gonna come out. Alright, that was the 3rd one. I should break now. Oh shit. Alright guys, this is the new one. It comes with the lead already. Just crimp it. Put sleeve. And here's the old one. Our issue was that this piece was just moving. Our solenoid here. Probably got moisture in it. But for this big ass truck, these are some tiny ass 10 millimeter bolts holding it up. Alright guys, I'm gonna put it in. I have the cut lead right there. I'm just gonna strip it a little bit, clean it up, put the sleeve in, crimp it, and put the sleeve on it. Heat shrink it and put the 3 bolts and we're done. Obviously, I'm gonna put the 3 bolts in first and then that shit. Unless I take it off of this, but we're gonna leave it on. Let's put it in. Alright, guys. Put the bolts back in by hand. And tighten them all the way. Now it's just gotta go in there. Give it a couple turns. If you got fat ass hands, you might not be able to do this. But you can't do it or something. Alright. Let me strip this one. It's about to go in here. I'm gonna crimp it. I'm gonna shrink wrap it. I'm gonna clean this up. Put it back on there. Connect the battery, We should be ready to go. Alright guys. Let's see. Strip the bolts. Yeah, bitch.